Now let's loosen up your hips. Drop into a deep squat, elbows press into knees, spine tall. Now raise your right arm to the sky. Rotate through your spine, then switch. This move turns a resting posture into a power reset. I promise, it opens your thoracic spine, stretches your hips, and boosts blood flow to your core. Beginners, sit on a yoga block or folded towel. Advanced stretches, hover just above the ground and keep the heels flat. Ask yourself this: can you move without tension? If not, this is your training ground. Keep going. We're about to test your range with the world-class challenge. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left hand down, right hand reaches the sky. Sink deep, twist wide. They call this the world's greatest stretch for a reason. It hits nearly every major muscle group in one flow. I promise, it opens your hips, strengthens your back, and improves mobility in the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. Beginners, drop your back knee. Advanced stretches, keep it hovering over the ground for an extra burn. Feel that? That's your body waking up with purpose. Now, let's even it out. Switch sides, left foot forward, right hand down, left arm reaches up. It may feel tighter, that's okay. Each side tells a different story. Your job isn't to rush it, it's to listen. I promise, this final stretch balances your body and breath. It resets your nervous system and unlocks control in all the places that feel stuck. This last one's a challenge. Hold, breathe, reach further. 5 more seconds. Feel that fire? That's not soreness, that's strength.